Hi everyone, Jen here from jennyandteddy.com. So in this video, we are going to make the pinwheel crochet flower or the 3D flower, super easy and quick. So you can also get the free writing pattern on my blog with a very detailed step-by-step photo tutorial. I will put the link in the description below. You can also follow me on the Instagram to see the new pattern update, and let's get started. Hi guys, so the pinwheel flower in this example that we are going to make is the size is 4.5 inch this way and 4.5 in this way, and each petal is about 2 inch. So what you will need for this size of the 3D flower, you will need a crochet hook size 3.5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, stitch marker, a yarn needle. I should include everything just in case we need it, and measuring tape, and the yarn that I use is the cotton for medium weight yarn. It's from Lion brand 24/7, but actually you can use any kind of cotton yarn or any kind of yarn that you like, acrylic yarn, polyester yarn, that's okay. But if you use the cotton yarn, the flower will be have more weight, and how can I say, it's more shape and beautiful. But if you use the polyester or the acrylic yarn, it will be a little bit different, but not much. Don't worry about it. And the hook size, you can always use the different hook size. If you want the flower to be bigger, just use a bigger hook. If you want a smaller flower, just use smaller hook. And in the same as the yarn, in this pattern I hold two stand, hold double, like I hold two stand when I crocheting, but you can always use one stand, just one, for crocheting. So you will get a small tiny 3D flower. It will be more cuter. But in this one, I hold double because I want the flower to be a little bit bigger for the head. So let's get started. Hi guys, now we are going to make the pinwheel flower, or like kind of 3D flower, look like this. And what you need is a crochet hook size 3.5mm crochet hook, and I used 100% Lion brand 24/7 cotton, holding two stand when we are crocheting. So we will start with the magic adjustable loop. We will leave the long tail because we are going to use this one for attach the flower to the head or anything you like. So we will wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times. Start with the magic ring. Insert your crochet hook underneath and draw the loop. Take your yarn out, and then we will make a chain. Then we will make 8 single crochet in the ring, 1 single, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochet, 4 single crochet, 5 single crochet, 6 single crochet, 7 single crochet, and 8 single crochet. And we will put a yarn tail to cross the gap. And now we are going to make the petal of the flower. So we will join the round by single crochet. And then we will chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we will make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Next stitch is here, we make slip stitch. And then we will repeat this one by chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we will slip stitch in the next stitch. Slip stitch. Then we will chain 6 again. Repeat the same. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slip stitch. And we keep going until the end of the round here. I will meet you at the end here. So now at the end, we will have 8 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you have 7 loops, that will be fine too, because it's not much different. Because if you can see the flower here, we have an egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 loops. So if you have 7 loops, that's okay too. If you have 8 loops, that will be fine too. If you look pretty, the same. So on the next round, we will make 14 double crochet in the loop. Hang on. Two double crochet, 3 double crochet already, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, 6 double crochet. We will make 14 in the loop. 6 already, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 4 more. Eleven double crochet, 12, 2 more, 13 and 14. The last one is 14. So we have 14 double crochet in the loop, and then we will slip stitch in the loop too. Slip stitch to finish here, and on the next loop we will do 14 the same, 14 double crochet, 1 double, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and we keep going 14 double crochet in the loop, and we finish with a slip stitch in the loop and go on the next one. When we finish, we will have the flower, pinwheel flower like this. This one have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 loops. So if you have 8 loops, that will be fine. 6 loops, 7 loops, that's okay. Don't worry about it. And then you can attach the flower to any crochet project you like. But I will show you. We will attach the flower to the head, to my wide brim sun hat. Just use the yarn needle and attach them on the line here. Use the purple, the same, attach them and attach them. So my tip to go to make the flower look beautiful. So after we attach them already in the middle and on the line here, and then we will use the yarn needle, go on stitching on the petal a little bit, 1 or 2, 3, something like that, so the flower will be look good. So and that's all we done. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. If you make one, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your creation. Have a good day. Bye.